Hey, good morning. Happy Monday, October 18th. So what's going on? Well, let's see. Last week, the Chicago White Sox were eliminated from the playoffs. They were decidedly eliminated, so there's no like, oh man, that wasn't fair type play at the end. Coach John Gruden from the Raiders resigned in the middle of a controversy right now. Boy, I think that's bigger than him. And Captain Kirk was shot up to space and came back with tears in his eyes. I think we're all a little jealous of him, aren't we? And America, you're on strike. Boy, when are we going to get back to work and start being productive? Or we're going to have to look at maybe we're no longer the land of the plenty and we're like a lot of the other countries, just kind of going along, barely surviving, barely making it ahead. Anyway, let's take a look at today's topic. So, annual enrollment period for senior citizens, prescription drugs, and Medicare Advantage plans is here. It's October 15th to December 7th. Let's take a look at some of the advantages of a Medicare Advantage plan. Number 1 and 2, I call the little or no. Number 1, little or no premium. Number 2, little or no doctor's copay. Two big advantages to a Medicare Advantage plan. Another incredibly huge advantage to a Medicare Advantage plan is you can have your premiums deducted directly out of your Social Security account. You know, that's a big advantage because a lot of times when people get sick, when they need their insurance the most, they forget to mail the payment in. So deducted directly out of your Social Security or your railroad retirement account, that's a huge, huge advantage. You know, another advantage to the Medicare Advantage plan is that they cap your expenses if you're in network. So you don't have to worry about your expenses going on forever and ever and ever and bankrupting your household and your finances. That's a big advantage to a Medicare Advantage plan. And unlike a Medicare supplement plan, an advantage is the claims process. With the Medicare supplements, the claims go to Medicare, and then Medicare pays it and tells the Medicare supplement to pay. So that's a two-step process. With the Medicare Advantage plan, it goes directly to the insurance company. That's a huge advantage. It's easier for you, the consumer, or the insured to understand your statements, and it's also, there's a lot less fraud associated with the Medicare Advantage plan than there are with the Medicare and the Medicare supplement plan. So that also is a reason why you might be saying, why are the premiums so low? Because there's less fraud associated with the Medicare Advantage plan. You know, one nice thing about a Medicare Advantage plan, I'm saying that word a lot, it can be abbreviated MAPD. So another advantage to an MAPD plan is the fact that they include your drug card. The drug cards are all kind of standards, but there's little tweaks one way or the other. The formularies can be different from one plan to the next, so always ask us to review your prescription so you have a good idea as to what's covered and what's not. And here's another advantage to an MAPD plan. They have ancillary benefits such as dental, hearing, vision, and even health club benefits. So don't forget to look at your policy when that comes in, because believe it or not, some genius upstairs decided that we're not really allowed to talk about that because it can confuse the issue at the sales process. But take a look at that. When you get them, don't hesitate to give me a call. If you have any questions about those ancillary benefits to your Medicare Advantage plan. So I hope you've enjoyed the last few minutes to look at some of the advantages, and this was just an overview. Don't hesitate to give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about your situation, what is in your best interest for 2021 during this open enrollment season. Oh, and also, don't put it off until the last few days, because the November 1st to December 15th, there's an overlap there. We're going to have open enrollment for the under 65 with the health insurance. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Once again, we'll be happy to go over your situation for your best interest. And Mark, what's going on with the MLD agency? Well, last week we picked up 2 new clients for Medicare Supplement. It's a little shift from what we've been talking about. Sold 2 dental policies and 1 recovery care policy. For those of you who've supported us with your business, thank you very much. Until next week, take care and be safe.